Hello everyone! We are the students from St. Cecilia's College from BN 3A, taking the course of Prophet 8, Building and Enhancing New Literacies Across the Curriculum. So now we'll be interviewing some stakeholders on their ideas about global teacher. Good morning, Miss. Can I ask you a question?
Oh, sure. What about it?
Do you have any gadgets?
Yes, I do.
So, how helpful it is as a student?
For me, gadgets are very helpful to us students, especially if we are now in a new kind of curriculum where they kanang kuan the blended learning and the online and the face to face, right? So in gadgets is very useful because we use gadgets, especially the cell phones, laptops, in doing our PowerPoint presentations to students because it's very relevant or necessary to us. And also, we also use gadgets to search answers or like informations needed for our studies or learning.
So, through technology, it also helps teachers in teaching 21st century because they can easily create a lesson through PowerPoint presentation, can easily research for educational purposes, and it all happened because of the globalization. So, do you have any idea what is a global teacher?
Based on what I've learned before, because it was already taught to us, a global teacher is someone that possesses 21st century skills or that is literate in English literacy, communication, and a global teacher is someone that can compete to the standards of the global world or the international standards of the one.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Can I ask you a question? Okay. Do you have any gadgets?
Gadgets, yes. I have a cell phone, Android, and then I also have a PC.
So, how helpful it is as a student?
For me as a student, in the 21st century is we have to be tech savvy, mano, and we have to acquire what we call media literacy. So the media literacy is the ability or the skill to use a tool for specific a student naka-research. And this research, if mostly quantitative, is have numerical in it. This can be easily done or interpreted if you use technological tools like laptop na Excel, spreadsheets. You can put information in there and it is automatically calculated by the Excel.
Okay, so through technology, it also helps teacher in teaching 21st century because they can easily create a lesson through PowerPoint presentation, can easily research for educational purposes, and it all happened because of the globalization. So, do you have any idea what is a global teacher?
Global teacher, maybe, just maybe, for me, a global teacher is someone that is sa tunggingon ako kaniya media literate, and then he or she is have the knowledge or have a variety of what do you call this, kanang mga mga skills and kabo siya of differentiated instruction. Differentiated instruction is like you cannot fit one shoes at the whole month, no? So you have to vary your ways of teaching. Like magdepende ang imong ways sa pag-teach if that's that group or set of students is makasabot sa darong. There is an appropriate way sa tagalaylahi ng estudyante.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So good afternoon, ma'am. May I have a word with you?
Okay, sure, no problem.
Okay, thank you. So, in the era of globalization, teachers faces many changes and challenges in 21st century of education. So, do you have any idea about global teacher?
I think global teacher is a description or a teacher that is a an attitude with a class and have literate about what the world means about education, and it is a teacher that is more respectful what is the difference between cultural diversity.
So, good evening, ma'am. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
So, technology is really helpful in the teaching the 21st century when the globalization occurred. So, the way people think, study, and learn have much really changed. So, the teacher can easily make a lesson through PowerPoint presentation, and the student can browse in the internet when they find their works difficult. So, what is your idea on a global teacher?
For me, a global teacher is someone who helps students connect and succeed in a global society. Nowadays kay high-tech na kayo ang panahon kay dili para sa una utok ra jud wala internet, utok ra jud gamiton kay lagi walay technology. Dili pareha karon nga ganang easy na kayo para sa maestra ang pagtudlo kay lagi na technology na ay mga kwan like laptop, tablet, computer, cellphone, even mga estudyante. Easy na kaya nila ang klase kay na sila gadgets, so they can search through their phone.
Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, Kap. Can I ask you a question? As we all know that the 21st century is really high-tech because of the globalization. Through technology, teachers can easily create a lesson through PowerPoint presentation, can make a grade easily of the students through their laptop. Not just the teacher but also the students. Nowadays, students already have a cell phone. They can easily search what they want and what they want to know. It all happened because of the globalization. So, do you have any idea what is a global teacher?
Ang mga maestra karon labi na katong mga idaran na kinahanglan mo adapt jud sila sa ato ang mga technology like anang laptop, tablet, computer karon ilahang matan-aw dito o matudlo nila sa ato ang mga estudyante kung unsay angay kay lahi man siya kay ikumparar nimo sa mga batanon kay ang mga batanon manggod dali ra kaayo silang maka search no ikumparar nimo sa mga edad-edaran kay ang kauna manggod nga mga atong mga maestra ilahang tan-awon ang ilahar man kuan wala may computer pa sa una wala pa may laptop wala pa tablet no TV ra so dako kay bintahan nga ilahan ng mapakat o ilan ang matudlo ngadto sa ato ang mga estudyante. Dili na ta mabihain sa ato ang pagkat-on kay tungod kay nanatay mga ang nanatay idea nga pwede ta mo gamit sa cellphone, pwede ta mo gamit sa laptop, TV, iPad, so uban pa kay tungod sa ato jud silang atong makatunan dayon kitang mga estudyante kung unsay angay nato nga buhaton so dali ra gyud mga makat-on so kung moadto tag lain-lain nga lugar so dili ta mabiya nila kay tungod kay naman tayo nakamahuan gumikan anang ato ang technology so moadto tag lain lugar nga sabot nila unsay mga maayo so sila at least sa ato ang pag-adto sa laing lugar dili sad ta mabiya kay nakamao naman gyud ta. So ang atong buhaton ngadto nga dili lang sad ta mabiya nila kay mao man ay ato ang purpose sa ato ang pag-eskwela nga makatunan nato tanan. So nalipay ta karon nga naa jud tay magamit nga mga laptop, tablet o TV lang tay matan-aw, cellphone. So mao gyud ang akong kasulti nga dili ta magpabiya sa uwang lugar. Di ta mabiya nila.
Sige, Kap. Thank you.
Welcome. Welcome again sa Barangay Bito. Anytime naaradyog ko sa atubang ninyo.
Thank you, Kap.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Can I ask you some questions?
Good afternoon. Yes, sure.
So in this 21st century, ma'am, the technology nowadays are very rampant, and most of this teacher uses the technology to deliver their lesson properly. But not just the teacher who uses the technology, but also the students. And for your idea, ma'am, what is global teacher for you, and how will you adapt to the 21st century teaching?
As a global teacher is a competent teacher who is armed with enough skills, appropriate attitude, and universal values. And as a teacher in the 21st century, I am well equipped with the technology and new trends in teaching, especially nowadays. There are online games and there are e-games for teaching the lessons every day.
Thank you, ma'am.